In this video we'll show you how we can machine the radiuses at the top of these bosses. Now it may be that you use a form tool to cut that, or it may be that you need to use a bullnose tool. So we'll assume you have to use a bullnose tool. So to do that we'll just check that we've got a tool. So we could use maybe the 6mm or the 10mm bullnose end mill to cut that. So in milling we go to advanced machining, and now we're going to use surfaces. So we're going to cut in constant Z, and we're going to choose the drive surfaces. So as we move the cursor over the part, it's selecting the surfaces. So if I now hold down the control key and choose the surfaces that we want to machine. Okay, so that's selected the surfaces. Now I select my tool, which will be the 6mm bullnose tool, and then the various parameters that I need to set. But let's just run the toolpath first and see what happens. So that has machined that radius, but obviously we need to set the step over such that it produces a finer machining. So we'll use a step over of 2.5mm. So you can see the effect of that it has been machined. Okay, so again we've got these rapid movements that we can change. So if we go back into that operation and go to link, then we'll say we'll go to each pass directly rather than retracting to the. Okay, now you notice it's added some extra ones in here. So if we go back into there, into link, okay, so that's machined that, and we can get rid of those roughing movements as well if we want to. And the way that we do that is to say that we want to machine by regions. So it does one region first, then it moves on to the next region, and so on. So that's produced the finishing path for those rounded surfaces.